Questrade Plus cashback on options is a feature designed for active traders who want to earn money back on their derivatives trading. While Questrade offers commission-free trading on U.S. equity options for all standard customers, subscribers to the optional Questrade Plus tier unlock an additional financial incentive. Under this structure, members earn 5 cents CAD in cashback for every eligible U.S. equity options contract they execute. This cashback applies to both buy and sell orders as long as the trades are executed during standard market hours. Orders placed during pre-market or after-hours sessions do not qualify for the payout. The program tracks your executed contracts throughout the month. You can monitor your estimated earnings directly on your order confirmations and view your running monthly total inside the Options Benefit Hub. When it comes to payouts, the accumulated cashback is calculated monthly and deposited directly into an eligible cash or margin account. Payments are typically processed as a lump sum on or before the third business day of the following calendar month. It provides a steady way to offset platform subscription costs or boost your trading balance if you execute high volumes of U.S. equity option contracts. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kinda check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.